Alright, 2019 Equinox battery replacement. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the negative terminal. I've already started on here. This is a 10mm nut. Remove this and get it out of the way before you start messing around with the positive. Second thing you're going to want to do is you need to get this plug off right here. So mine's got a little bit of play in it, so I'm going to pull it all the way towards this way. And as you can see, there's a small red tab here. So if you grab a flathead screwdriver or a small pick or something, you can get on the back side of that and push it forward. Once you push it forward enough, you may have to get on the other side here and pull this tab forward, and that's going to release the connector. Okay, so once you do that, there's small tabs on the side of this right here that you're going to want to grab. And you can lift this up here. Next thing you're going to want to do is remove this. I've already started here. 10mm also. You're going to remove this. Then you're going to take this wire off. So take that nut off. Put it somewhere where you know it's not going to get lost. Remove the wire here. Now you can pull this cable off. Alright, next thing you got to do, there are some clips from this setup here. They actually clip onto the battery. So again, take your flathead or your pick. Kind of hard to see. Let's see. There's clips on this side also. You can get these ones up and then flip the back around. There's the front clip. And the back clip, it's kind of hard to get down in there. Okay, there's the clip right there that you're looking for that's going to clip into the top of the battery. So once you got that out of the way, now you've got enough room. So now what you're going to do is remove this. Again, make sure you save the nuts. Okay, so once that's up, now you can take this off. The back side is just going to be a clip like that. Okay, so now you've got a cover here that you're going to have to get out. I'm going to have to put the camera on the tripod for this part. Okay, so you're going to have to pull this plastic cover off. Once that's out, you pull the battery straight up. And then the new battery just pops right in. Put the cover back on. Alright. Now you're going to want to get a battery brush. Clean out the inside of your terminals. Make sure there's no corrosion in there. Alright. Now, You're going to clip everything back down. This thing will just push right into place here. Make sure you remove the cap on your negative. Okay, now you're going to hook the positive back up first. Don't forget this little wire here. $10mm. Alright, put the plug back in back here. Once you got it in, you're going to take and press on this red tab forward to make sure it's locked, and then you can jiggle it back and forth and test it. So once that's in, close the cap here. And now we're going to put the negative back on. Your car alarm might go off. And then now you're going to put the strap back on. Hook it into the back first. And 10mm again. And that's it. The battery is an H6 AGM. Do not put a regular lead acid battery in here. Replace it with an AGM just like the factory had.